we're in the Longchin factory in Chongqing. Now here, this is where we manufacture. You manufacture the engine for the BMW 650 GS as an OEM part for BMW. So this is the assembly line, the final point of assembly. Is that correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. And you're saying it's a separate assembly line from everything else. If you look over there, you can see all the other engines being manufactured for each company. So can you tell me what's different about this assembly line?
Yeah, actually, now to produce BMW's engine is not easy.
Yeah.
So we have to add some additional special equipment to make the products to reach Germany's standards.
Okay.
So that in that case we can make our products in high quality for high-end consumers.
And now, how long have you been producing the engine for BMW?
Actually, 2.5 years ago we produced.
Wow, that's interesting. And how many of these engines a year do you make?
Actually, now I cannot tell you because that's a secret.
Top secret information. But it's almost a secret that they make the engine. I mean, who would have known? That's pretty cool. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.